What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name some of these organic compounds, and all of them are aromatic compounds because all of them have benzene ring. The first one is the benzene ring with iodo, so it's gonna be iodobenzene. Since there is only one iodo here, we don't need to specify the location, so it's gonna be iodobenzene. Next one, we have methyl group. Instead of I, we have methyl, so it's going to be methylbenzene. Again, we don't need to specify the location, so it's going to be methylbenzene. There is another name for this product, which is called toluene. So whenever we are talking about toluene, it means that it's a benzene ring with a methyl group connects to it. So now next one, we have two methyl groups, so then we need to specify the location. So we're gonna start from here. One, should we go this side or this side? It's better to start with this side because it's gonna be 2, 3, but if you start from this side, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it doesn't work. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, so it is gonna be 1 and 3 dimethylbenzene. There is another name for that, that's called meta-dimethylbenzene. Or you can say meta-dimethylbenzene. Next one, again we have two methyl groups, but the locations are different, so it's going to be 1 and 2. So it's going to be 1 and 2 dimethylbenzene, or we call it o-dimethylbenzene, or there is another name for that, ortho-dimethylbenzene. Next one, again we have two methyl groups. Let's connect to the benzene ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 1 and 4 dimethylbenzene, or it's gonna be para-dimethylbenzene or para-dimethylbenzene. There is another name for those compounds like these three that have two methyl groups connected to the benzene group, which is called xylene. So the first one is going to be meta-xylene or m-xylene. This one is going to be ortho-xylene or o-xylene. And next one is going to be p-xylene or para-xylene. So these are the name of these 5 organic compounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.